Good morning student. Today in this video we will study about internet options. Chapter 5, it is third part. Okay, so in this video we will study about internet options. The internet options in the control panel lets you control and configure the internet properties for the current versions of the Internet Explorer installed on your computer. As showing in this picture, we can see internet properties. You can see here all options showing here: setting, delete or setting, colors, language, fonts, SMD. You can click here, then apply. After that, OK. User accounts. The user accounts in the control panel applet is used to manage your accounts in Windows. With user accounts, you can add, remove users through these options in control panel. Change or remove Windows password, change account name and picture, and do much more. Date and time. The date and time in control panel applet is used to configure the system time and data, set the time zone, configure daylight saving time, and manage internet time synchronization. Date and time you can set from this option in control panel. Okay. Fonts. The fonts applet in control panel applet is used to add, remove and configure the fonts available to Windows and the other program on your computer. You can select any fonts from this given below. Display. The display applet in control panel is used to adjust display setting like screen resolution, multiple monitor arrangements and text size. As showing in this picture, medium 125%, larger 150% and smaller 100% default. So you can set in any options here given, smaller, medium or larger. In display options, the display applet in control panel is used to adjust display setting like screen resolution, multiple monitor arrangement and text size. Also you can change from this option. Okay student, next given here, taskbar and start menu. The taskbar and start menu in the control panel applet is used to manage the various options available for the taskbar and the start menu. With the taskbar and start menu, you can choose to auto hide the taskbar, change aerobic settings, set the default power button action, and do much more. Network and sharing center. The network and sharing center in the control panel applet is used to connect to and disconnect from network. Both connect to and disconnect from network, change network setting, troubleshoot network problem, and see real-time information about the state of your network as showing in this picture. Folders and file in Windows 7. While working on computers, all data is stored used in the form of the file and folders. We frequently need to rearrange folders and files to manage our system. Windows Explorer is used to manage the file system. The Windows Explorer screen is divided into two panes. The left pane shows the details of the drives and folders, and the right pane displays the content of the current drive. Okay, so this is about folders and files in Windows 7. Let's try some of the important operations related to the files or folders, such as copying, moving, deleting or renaming the files or folder. Creating a new folder and renaming a folder. If you want to create a new folder, then rename a folder. For that, what is the steps that is given here? The steps to create a new folder are as follows. Open the Windows Explorer and select a drive C. Double click on the drive to open the file structure. Click on the right pane and press the right mouse button to get the shortcut menu as showing in this picture. New, then folder, then click here. After that your new folder is created. You can write their names. After that, select new option, click folder to create a new folder. It creates a new folder. Type the name of the folder and press enter. As showing in this picture, new folder. Here you can write name as you wish. You can also rename the folder. For example, my folder is written. Then after file folder, you can rename these folders. You can create any folder at a desired location, but you must be careful about the location where you are creating it. If you do not mention the location, the new folder will be created in the current drive folder, and it may be very difficult to search in future. If you don't know the location, or if you don't mention the location, then after it may be very difficult to search in future. So that's why you should mention the location also. Okay, copying folder and files, about this we will study in next video. Okay, so read it thoroughly, and if any doubt, then consult it into meeting.